Consumer Reports magazine recently sent secret shoppers to America's top pharmacies to compare prices, and what they found, well, it just might shock you, especially if you shop at CVS. The survey says it's the most expensive. Costco consumers, you can breathe easy. You're getting the best deal. The study focused on generic forms of the 5 blockbuster drugs: Lipitor, Lexapro, Plavix, Actos, and Singular. At CVS, the cost for generic Lipitor is $150 a month. At Costco, just $17. And how about for Plavix at CVS? That'll set you back $180. At Costco, just $15. Joining us now to talk about the survey, Consumer Reports editor Lisa Gill. Lisa, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
First off, why this huge discrepancy in price? Doesn't seem to make any sense.
Well, I have to say, we've been doing this secret shopper survey for a number of years, and this was the most shocking, actually really most surprising results we have ever seen. Those price differences do reflect at least 2 different things. Stores use their pharmacies kind of in different ways. Some stores like Rite Aid and CVS, they're meant to really generate a lot of revenue and a lot of profit for the stores, and that's fine. And so you kind of see it reflected in high prices. Stores like Costco, Walmart, Sam's Club, they really try to bring in traffic through having lower prices in the hope that people will buy maybe other things. The other difference too is that CVS and Rite Aid are so convenient, and you really pay for that convenience. Those pharmacies are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They're on every corner in the United States practically. Whereas with a store like Costco, even though you'll pay such lower prices, you will have to really plan your visit. Pharmacies close at 8 or 8:30 at night, and they're not open on Sundays. So you can kind of see the difference there.
Yeah. Now, according to your survey, the 3 most expensive pharmacies are CVS, Rite Aid, and Target. The cheapest were FamilyMeds.com, HealthWarehouse.com, and Costco. We reached out to some of those pharmacies for comment, and CVS told us the following, quote, "Pricing surveys do not accurately reflect what most pharmacy customers pay for their prescriptions and are not effective in accurately comparing prices. A random price check of only 5 drugs is too small to draw meaningful conclusions about which pharmacies offer the best value overall for its customers." Do you agree? Is your survey an accurate representation of market prices across the board?
You know, we made over 200 phone calls to pharmacies all around the United States. We called independent mom and pop pharmacies. We called large big box stores like Sam's Club and Costco. We called Target, Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, posing as just a regular consumer, sort of like what my grandmother might face in Indiana, just calling around to local pharmacies trying to get a price on some very popular medications. So, and actually that's why we chose those medications, because millions of people take these drugs every month, and in many cases can't afford them. So one of the things that we were surprised to find out, and you know, CVS has an interesting point, except that when we called nearly a dozen CVS's around the country, they all quoted us a price of $149.99. And only one pharmacist mentioned to us that you might be able to get a discount if you came in the store. So considering that a regular consumer trying to, compare prices over the telephone finds such incredible price differences, I think is a very notable thing, and I think it's worth considering, when you're shopping for medications.
Very quickly, what are the best tips for viewers out there for buying meds?
You're not going to believe it, and it sounds really old school advice, but the truth is, many of our shoppers, actually nearly all of our shoppers, were not offered also the lowest possible price. So the tip is, you have to ask for the lowest price. You actually have to, when you're both in person and on the telephone, say, is this the best price you can offer me? And very often, they will come back to you with discounts that the store offers or other possible discounts, or even drug alternatives. So asking really seems to be the key, and this is also sort of a surprising find in making so many calls around the United States.
All right.
The second thing is, also be sure, you can ask for other discounts. There are a lot of these $4 a month, $10 a month discount generic drug programs, and many of the stores, actually all of the national chain stores offer them, but people don't really take advantage of them. So ask if your drug is on one of those as well.
All right, thanks very much. To check out the survey for yourself, head to consumerreports.org. Lisa Gill, thank you very much for your time.